Now we have learned about probability. So probability is one is outcome and second is event. What will be an outcome of the event? In the case of example where we have taken 3 black balls and 2 red balls, so probability of getting red ball was 2/5 and probability of getting black ball was 3/5. So here 5 you can find. What is 5? 5 is number of events and 2 is the outcome. 2 is the outcome. So what is the probability? Probability is PA, suppose probability of anything is equal to total number of events outcome divided by total number of events. Similarly, PB will be outcome of A and outcome of B divided by total number of events. So we can divide probability like this. Probability A is outcome of A divided by total number of events. Similarly, we have for any event we have to find out the total number of events. Now we take another example. PA and PB are the two outcomes of 5 events. You can also see that PB is greater than PA. It means that probability of getting black balls is greater than probability of getting red balls. So this is, here you can see that we can intuitively know that the probability of getting black ball is better than probability of getting red ball. So in case we have to see something or we have to predict something about an event, we will choose black ball because the probability of getting black ball is greater. So in the second example is, suppose we have a dice. We have a dice with a 6 faces and every face is having numbers 1, 2, 3. All the faces have 6 numbers. So what is the probability of getting 1? Getting 1 in a dice. Obviously there are 6 outcomes. What are that outcomes? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 outcomes. Getting 1, the probability of getting 1 will be 1/6 because there are total 6 outcomes and probability of getting 1 is 1. So 1/6 will be the probability of getting 1. In this case, probability of getting 2 will be 1 by 6 because we can get one time out of the 6 event. Probability of getting any number will be 1 by 6. So all the outcomes are going to be have similar probability. Coming to the second point. Now if I can ask what will the probability of getting an even number? So there are three even numbers 2, 4 and 6. So probability of getting even numbers will be total outcome. Probability of getting even numbers will be total outcomes of even number divided by number of event. So here you can find that we can total number of events will be 2, 4, 6. That is 3. 3 events are possible. Total number of events are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of getting even number will be 0.5. Likewise, the probability of given odd number will be similar because here we will take 1 which is odd number, 3 which is odd number, 5 which is odd number, and total number of events are 6. So here also the probability of getting odd number will be 0.5. So probability of getting odd number or even number will be similar in this case.